let's explain that what is meant by T pi or Y delta. So let we have three resistors R1, R2 and R3, and let we have a network. These three resistors are connected such like this is your R1, this is your R2, this is your R3. And also this circuit is also equivalent to if we draw such like R1, R2, R3. As this network of resistance are in the form of T shape, that's why this is called T network. While this circuit is in the form of Y shape, that's why this is called Y network. And both these are equivalent. Now come toward the delta, that what is meant by the delta. After that we will do the transformation. So we have three resistance R1, R2 and R3, and let me draw these three resistors in such like manner. This is your R1, this is your R2, this is your R3. Let I draw at such line that this is my R2, R1, R3. As this circuit is in the form of pi shape, that's why this network is called pi network. While this network of resistance is in the form of delta shape, that's why this is called delta network. And both these are equivalent. Now let's do the transformation. Let's draw the pi network on the same parallel line. This is node 1, this is node 2, this is node 3. So this is R3, this is R2 and this is R1. This is R12, this is R23 and this is your R31. So here the R1 plus R3 will be equal to R31 into R12 plus R23 divided by R31 plus R23 plus R3 R12. So how I write this? First I taken the node 1 and node 3. Node 1 and node 3. So node 1 and node 3, and I taken these two resistance. I ignored this resistance. So these two resistance are in series, and we know that in series the resistance is added. So R1 plus R3, and this resistance is equal to R31 as these two resistance are in the series. So that's why we add these two resistance, and these two resistance are in parallel with the R31. So that's why R31 multiplied by R1 plus R23 divided by the sum of all the resistance. Similarly, R1 plus R2 will be equal to, if we take the node 1 and 2. So R1 and R2 will be equal to R23 into R31 plus R12 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. Similarly, if you take the node R23. Now let's take the node 1, 2. So R1 plus R2 will be equal to R12 multiplied by R23 plus R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. The transformation from y into delta or delta into y. So let's first do the transformation of y into delta. Transformation. So in this transformation, we convert all the resistance of the y into the delta. So the R31 will be equal to R1, R2, R2, R3, R3, R1 divided by R2, because R2 is perpendicular to R31. So that's why I put that resistance here and sum of all the other resistance. Similarly, R23 will be equal to R1, R2, R2, R3, R3, R1 divided by R1, because R1 is perpendicular to R2. Similarly, R12 is equal to R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 divided by R3. So you use these formulas and convert the resistance from the y into the delta resistance, and these are your delta resistance. Now let's write it in terms of conductance. So in conductance, G31 will be equal to G1, G3 divided by G1 plus G2 plus G3. Similarly, G23 will be equal to G2, G3 divided by G1 plus G2 plus G3. And G12 will be equal to G1, G2 divided by G1 plus G2 plus G3. So now let's do the delta Y transformation. So we convert all the resistance from the delta into Y. So how we do that? Let's do. So your R1 will be equal to R31 R12 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. Similarly, R2 will be equal to R12. These are in between, so just taken these two distances. R23 divided by R12, R23, R31, and R3 will be equal to R23, R31 divided by R12, R21, R23, R31. So if you see that the resistance, finding the resistance of Y in terms of delta will be same as finding the conductance of delta in terms of y. So these two are same. Now let's write the conductance. So conductance will be the same as we did before from conversion of y into delta. So here the conductance will be equal to, so your G1 will be equal to G12, G23, G23, G31 plus G31, G12 divided by G23. Similarly, your G2 will be equal to G12, G23 plus G23, G31 plus G31, G12 divided by G2, and this is perpendicular to G31. Similarly, your G3 will be equal to G12, G23 plus G23, G31 plus G31, G12 divided by G3, which is perpendicular to G12. So you just remember all these formula. So through this formula you can easily convert from delta into y. And remembrance of this formula is too easy because it requires little bit technique that through which you can easily remember these formulas.